Hello everyone, I'm Shannon, a staff writer for Finder, and today we're going to show you how to buy stocks online through a step-by-step tutorial. Let's get started. First things first, you need to choose an online trading platform. The platform that you choose is where you will conduct your trades, and it can have a big impact on your investment experience. There are a lot of trading platforms on the market, so it's important to choose one that is going to be a good fit for your experience level, your investment goals, and your trading style. New investors want to explore their options with beginner-friendly platforms that are easy to navigate, like Robinhood or SoFi. Investors interested in international stocks will want to opt for a platform that offers access to global markets, like Fidelity or Interactive Brokers. And finally, advanced traders will want to select a platform with powerful research tools, like TD Ameritrade or Zaxtrade. Once you found a platform that you're interested in, it's time to set up a brokerage account. You'll need a brokerage account before you can start trading. Luckily, most online platforms offer online applications that can be completed in just a few minutes. You will likely be asked for your full name, date of birth, contact details, social security number, and proof of identification. Before you can trade, you also need to fund your account, so be ready with your bank account information. Some platforms do impose a minimum deposit, so if that's the case, make sure that you can meet the minimum before you sign up. Now that you've picked a trading platform and opened a brokerage account, it's time to start trading. Before you execute your first order, you'll need to decide which stocks you want to add to your portfolio. The process of picking stocks has a lot to do with your investment goals. What types of industries are you interested in? Is there a specific company that you want to back? The best stock picks are informed stock picks, so do your research to start narrowing down your options. A stock screener can be a helpful tool, especially for investors who are just starting out. Stock screeners allow you to search for stocks by a variety of different metrics, including industry, sector, price, and more. Once you've identified a stock that you would like to purchase, search for the stock by name or ticker symbol. Next, it's time to submit your order. We're going to show you what the order process looks like through Robinhood. To submit an order, click Buy to get to the order screen, and then enter the number of shares that you would like to purchase. Below, you'll see the price per share and the total cost of your order. Make sure you have enough money in your brokerage account to cover the cost. Then, click Review to review the final details of your order, and if you're on the mobile app, swipe up to execute the trade. This type of order is called a market order, which executes the trade right away at the current market price of the stock. But you can also execute other types of orders by tapping on Shares. Here you will see the different types of orders available, including limit orders, stop orders, and more. To execute one of these orders, instead of making a market order, just tap on the type of order that you would like to make. While the interface varies a bit from one platform to the next, the basics of buying stocks is generally the same. You select a stock, enter the number of shares that you'd like to buy, and select your order type. Typically, deposits to brokerage accounts take 2 to 3 days to clear, so you will need to plan ahead before executing any big transactions. So long as you have the funds to cover the cost of the order will clear. Congrats, you're a shareholder. So, what happens next? Well, that depends on your investment goals and trading strategy. Ultimately, you're looking to make money with your investments, which means selling your shares at a higher price than what you paid to buy them. It can be tricky to decide when to sell a share, and that's because the market can be unpredictable. Stock prices rise and fall based on a variety of factors, including company performance, the overall economy, political shifts, industry events, and more. It can be difficult to predict how a stock will behave, but the more that you learn about the market, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the life cycle of buying and holding stocks. You can learn more about your brokerage account options on Finder.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll know when new Finder videos drop.